What's up, guys? Follow the Blaze here. I'm trying something new. I am gonna be sorting out the cards that I unboxed from my previous video. This is part 2 to that unboxing video. So if you haven't watched it, watch it first. And then the sorting video. Here we go. So I'll be starting off with the red pack. The red set. This is 1, 11, 5, 10, 11, and 12, 3, 5, 4, 12, 3, 9, 4, 5, 17, 20, 19, 18, 17, 9, 3, 4, 6, 19, 11, 5, 17, 4, 19, 19, 12, 5, 20, 11, 6, 9, 3, 17, 20, 17, 2, 10, 2, 6, 9, 11, 13, oops, right here, and then 20. If you guys don't know where the numbers are, I'm looking at the very bottom, right bottom corner. It will say OP-08 and the numbers of which it's organized or lined up together. So it looks like I got 2 Marcos and 4 20 doctors. 4 Kurumarimo. And let's see, 4 chess. 3 Chesmarimo. 9 4 Maria Onion Bear, and 1 Hiking Bear. 4 Mushroom, 3 Lapins, and 1 of that. 4 I Never Shoot You. 3 Munch Mutation, 3 Drum Kingdom, and I'm gonna add on the shinies. We got a Dalton here, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't want to mix them up. 19, so 8, 16. Oops, this way. Calvin Rose is 18. Dr. Kuriha is 15. 14. Okay. We'll put them together now. Oopsie. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 20 cards. Okay, now we will move on to our green sets. Okay, we got Carrot here. So she's a 21. So we go to the 1 boxes. So 28 would be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 26, 31, 29, 38. This is 38 too, right? Oh, wrong. That would be 18 then, I guess, right here. 35 would be 15 then. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay. 25 would be 5. 35, 15, 28 would be 8. 27, 22, 27, 33. Oops, 33 would be right. 11, 12, 13. So 38, same right. Oh, that's 33. Sorry, confusing myself. 38, 31. So it'd be 11 plus slots. 27, 32. Would be 12. 26 would be here. 33 is right here, right? Because this would be 12. Nope, my bad. Yeah, 25, 27, 24. 26, 29, 35, 42, 33, 31, 25, 25, 37, 28, 22, 33, right here, 26, and 31. And then the shiny ones, Zoe, 39, Carrot, 23, Electrical Luna, 36 would be right here. 34, Wanda Pedro, 30, 34 Wanda, and 39 Zoe. So I got, looks like I got 3 Inoa Rashi, 1 of Carrots. I got 4 of Shishilian, 4 of Giovanni's, 4 Tristan, 3 Nico Mamushi, 4 Peckhams, 4 Miyagi, 4 Rody, 2 Wandas, and 3 BBs. Any more? Oh, I got 3. We would never sell a comrade to an enemy. and 2 Zoes. Okay, that was the green set. Looks like this was from the Animal Kingdom. Sorry. Butterfingers. Now we do the blue set. Okay, looks like we got Sweet Pea here, 48. So 48 would be right here, 51, 50, 40. 50, 56, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 55, right here, 54, 49, 55, 49, 51, 41, 41 would be up here, 45, 56, 40, 50, 49, 41, 54, right? Oops, wrong one. 54, 51. Mixed them up. My bad. So this one would be up here, then 54 would go down here. My bad. 48, 42, 54, 56, 41, 45, 48, or 49, 56, 45, 44, 48, 41, 50, 113. I'll put it on the side. 51, 40, 54 on here, and 51. And then I'll go through the shinies. Josu, 47. Right here. I have to think about it. 46, 43, 52. That's 50, 51. There we go. 52, 53, 46, and 46. Okay, we got 3 Atmos, 4 Philandra. Oh, we got Whitebeard and Edward Weevil. Maybe I messed up on that one. 43, my bad. 40. This was 42. And then this one is 43. So that's how it was. Oh, that's weird now. They're not in there. Because there's a 40 right here, so it kind of got out of... They kind of got out of order. because there's a 40 and then I only have 20 here, so it kind of got mixed up. So 43, so I'll just move them a line. So I think that's how it should go. Okay, so now I got 3 Atlas, and there should be 4 Philandras. Touch. Shakuyaku, 3 of them. 3 sweet peas. 4 speed gel. 4 Namule. 4 booking. And 4 you can't take our king this early in the game. And 4 Moby Dicks. Oh, we got 2 Phoenix Brand too. Okay. Alright, let me put these aside. And then we'll move on to the other color. Sorry guys, just trying this out. It might be a little wonky because I don't have all the slots for each of them. Okay, now we're moving on to the purple. Alright, so we got 64 here, and maybe there's some 70s later on. Okay, so 64 would be 64. That'd be the 4th, and then 5. 68. 61. Oh, 64. Okay, 64. 62. 70. 73. 75, 64, 76, that would be here, 59, I'm having a brain fart here. I guess it would be before. Okay, maybe I'll put this down here, because 50, oh no, 59. Sorry guys. 61, 62, 64. I'll just have to move them one down. Okay, so 70 right here, 59, 75. Did I put that one down here? Okay, so 75 would be right here, 65 I think right here, because this one's 64 I believe. Yes, 64, so 72. This one's a 68, 9, right? 72, my bad. So 2 more down. Okay, 64, right down here. 71, because that's 70, so 71 down here. 68, 66, 65, 64, 73, 72. Oh yeah, hold on. 66. Candy Maiden. 65, 71 right here, 73, 75, 68, 62, 70, 71, 73, 72, 71, 68, 76, 72, 57, 58, and 58, which will be before my 59. So I'll just put these aside. Okay, now I'm gonna put my shinies. 67. Forgot where that is. So this is 68. So 67 right here. This is 66, right? Okay. So 67, 60. Nope. So I guess I'll have to move them one down again. There we go. 77. That is 76 there. Perfect. So 69. I think that's a 16. Nope. That's 75. Nope. It's a 68. 63. Got them all mixed up. Sorry, guys. Gotta move them down again. Oh, my bad. Okay, there. And down, and then down here. Alright, so 77 is right here. 60, 63, and 67. So I guess I'll just have the ones I put on the side on over here. Albert, 2 Kings, 2 Charlotte Oven, 2 Charlotte Katakuri, another 2 Charlotte Katakuri, 4 Charlotte Crackers, 3 Charlotte Smoothie, 2 Brulees, 2 Pudding, 4 Prospero, 3 Baron Tamago, 4 Count Niwatori, Biscuit Warrior 4 cards, 4 cards of Viscount Hiyoko, 4 Candy Maiden, It's to Die For, 2 cards, and 2 Conquest of the Sea. Alright, I'll just have to move this first. 57, 58, and then 59. 59. Okay, we got 2 more colors to go, guys, so bear with me. Okay, we're gonna move on to the black colors. So we got 81 here, 88, so we're gonna have 90s. Okay. So 81, I'll just put it there for now just in case. And maybe I'll just start from the 1. So I don't confuse myself, I guess, later on. 5, 6, 7, 8. 97, 17. 83. 78. So I might have to move some cards down. 78, 9, 10. Sorry, guys. 83. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 here. I have a 7 here. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 90. I am lost. 9, 86. So 88, 87, 86, 78, 81. Oops, so 78, 9, 10. Okay, just making sure. 89 would be right here. 97, I believe. 97? Oops, 97 would be down here. 93 would be right here. 95, 3, 4, let's see. This is 93. So this is 90. 1, 2, 3. Okay. My bad. Okay. 96. 95. 87. 87 would be right there. 89 right here. 90. Where did I go? Right there, right? Okay. 90, 88, 90, 81, 87, okay, right there. 96, 97. I want to be here then. 86, 89, 93. Sorry, I'm lost. 86, so it'll be done here. 85. That was 86, I think. Yeah, 86 or 85. 97. 78. 81. 78, 86, 96, 93, 86, 83, and 89. Now I'm gonna do the shinies. Queen 80. Let's see, 80 right here. 79, 84, 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. 82, nope, right here. 82, 84, yes, same card. 91. There's 84 right there. Just want to make sure. 83. So 91 would be down here. Yeah, right here. So 92. Oops, gotta move that down because that's 93, 92. And 80. Okay, so we got 3 4 ultis. 2 queens. 4 Gornica. 2 Sasaki. Oh. I need to got that mixed up. Okay, that's why we're doing this sorting, so we can see what I did wrong. So we got 2 jacks, different kinds. Gin Rummy, 4 cards. 2 Scratchman Apu. 2 Devil. 4 Basil Hawkins. 4 Hamlet. Let's see. 5. We got 5. Okay. 5 X Drake. 2 Iron Body Fang Flash. 3 People's Dreams Don't Ever End. 4. I always have a hard time saying this word. Heliceratops. We got 4 of that. Alright. That's that for the black one. Now we're gonna do our last one, which is, I think, the yellow. The yellow sets. Okay, last pile. We got 113. Okay. Let me see. I think we got a 98 here. So let me look for the start first. 99. Looks like that. Okay, let's start with 99. So 100. 1, 2, 3. That was 113. 102. 113. That's 102. That's what, so 113 should go somewhere down here, because that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 108 would be there. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it would be down here. Okay, so 100 would be right here. 99. 102. 107. 104. Right? So 102 right here. 104 right there. 13, 12, 11. 104. 107. 107. 103. 116. So 13, 14, 15, 16. 108. 100. 116. 101. Oh, I think this is the one. Whoopsie. I think I need to move things down. $103 right here. 104. Okay. So 111, 99, 117, 103, right here, 99, okay, 101, 116, 108, 98 is right here. 116, 13, 17, 04, 3, 101, 107. I think these are the shinies. So 112. This is, just to make sure, okay, 112 will be right here. 110, 109, 110, 115, 114, 109, 114, 106. Lost count. 104. So right here, 106, and 115. Looks like I got 3 Kagara, 2 Southbird, 3 Charlotte Angels, 2 Charlotte Opera, 3 Charlotte Custard, 3 Charlotte Poir, Anami, Nitro 4 cards, 3 cards of Mont Blanc Cricket, Mont Blanc Nolan, 2 cards, 2 cards of Viper, different designs, 2 S cards, a shark, shark, 1 S snake, 4 S bear, 2 S hawk, 2 the earth will not lose, 4 burn bazooka, and 2 burn blade. Alright guys, so we did 6 colors of the sets of the OP-08. Sorry guys, the light died. Still working on it. The lights and the blurriness. Got 2 Dawns of the Whitebeard from the OP-08. So that was my sortings. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. Polar the Blaze out.